guys, I'm Jen, and today I'm gonna do an unboxing review on something that is awesome. Nowadays, the advancement in technology heavily affects the world, especially in education. For students, even myself as a university student, laptops really important and benefit us for its mobility and convenience. However, no matter how advanced the technology is, it is an undeniable fact that everything has limited durability. So, as the keyboards in laptops, therefore, it is advisable to use an external keyboard while at home. Although any ordinary keyboard should be fine, but still, you get what you pay for. So, what I have here is the G213 Prodigy gaming keyboard from Logitech. Without any delay, let's begin. Stop. Hold it there. It's kinda boring, don't you think? Let's spice it up a bit then. The Logitech G213 keyboard focuses on featuring a sturdy and low-profile looking and tremendously built quality, yet labeled with budget-friendly tag. In other words, it is great value for its money. With a design of 452 x 218 x 33 mm. The keyboard's layout comes with a 9-digit keypad that most people finding it is useful and necessary. It is built with an integrated palm rest that helps relieve fatigue while gaming and typing. The G213 also features Logitech G Mech-Dome Keys that delivers performance similar to a gaming keyboard. You can say it is a hybrid keyboard for people who use it for works and gaming, yet they prefer to have a quiet typing experience. The onboard media keys on the G213 allow users to easily control the music playing on the background, the brightness of the keyboard, and to disable window keys while playing games to prevent any disturbance. What's so fascinating of this keyboard is the Logitech G Hub software allows users to change the RGB lighting of the keyboards to whatever color they favor. By simply clicking on the types of color scheme with the software, there are tons of color schemes that users can choose from or self-customizable. Okay, so that's all for the whole review. I highly recommend that it is an affordable for people who wanted to use for casual work, like gaming, entertainment during their leisure time. That's it for now guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Bye!